In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively generate and manage an IT asset list using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can streamline the processes of tracking and updating your company's resources. This step-by-step guide will ensure you have a comprehensive understanding from initial setup to creating detailed reports. First, let's get started by opening up ChatGPT. Make your way over to chat.openai.com and go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, begin a new chat session. This fresh workspace is where all the interaction with the AI will take place, allowing you to generate and manage your IT assets seamlessly. Now, let's create an example IT asset list. You can instruct ChatGPT to generate a sample list for a mid-sized company. When doing this, ensure you include categories such as laptops, desktops, monitors, printers, servers, software licenses, and accessories. Ask ChatGPT to display these items in a clear table format for easy reading and organization. Having this structured layout helps you visualize your assets and makes future updates and management efforts much more manageable. With your asset list generated, it's time to simulate asset tracking using ChatGPT. You can provide specific numbers for each asset you want to track. For instance, you might say, track these IT assets for me: 30 laptops, 50 monitors, 12 software licenses that are expiring in 6 months, and 5 printers. This allows ChatGPT to maintain an updated inventory for you, and any changes you make can easily be tracked. If you issue or add any assets, ChatGPT can update the list accordingly, ensuring your asset management is always current. Once you've set up your tracking, you'll want to test how to update and change the list. For example, you might issue 3 laptops to new employees and add 10 new monitors to your inventory. Simply inform ChatGPT of these changes and watch as it updates your asset list in real time. This dynamic updating feature keeps your list accurate and reflective of your current inventory, which is crucial for effective asset management. Moving on, you can request ChatGPT to generate reports based on your current asset list. You might ask for a summary report that highlights which categories are running low in stock or nearing expiration. This step is vital in helping you anticipate and manage potential shortages proactively. Reports generated by ChatGPT will provide clear insights into your inventory status, helping you make informed business decisions. Finally, save these prompts and the final IT asset tables for future use. They serve as valuable templates for your IT tracking system and can be integrated with tools like Google Sheets or Airtable later on. This adaptability ensures that your asset management remains efficient and scalable as your company grows. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless process for generating, updating, and managing an IT asset list using ChatGPT. The simplicity and effectiveness of this approach make it an invaluable tool for maintaining an organized and well-documented inventory.